So you would need some string, some scissors, a skewer, some lard and some old yogurt pot. You would also need a bowl, a spoon, some yummy things to feed your birds like raisins and seeds. We've got them today. As an adult, to pierce and to skewer it into these yogurt pots. It really is a hard job. And then you thread some string through the hole. So, cut the string about a long length. Then, can you see the holes in your yogurt pots? Thread them like this. Get your string through this hole. And so you might want to not do that. So do this. Make sure you tie a knot at the end. That makes it stop going so far that it would go. And when you've done all of them, you put them back down the side. You'll start with something else. Wait and see. Once you've finished, put the yogurt pots to one side. We're gonna put some raisins in now. Take maybe two of these into the bowl, like this. Then some bird seeds. Birds really like bird seeds. Then, when you've done that, ask Mummy or Daddy to melt the lard. It's really hot when you melt lard. You might burn yourself, so be careful. Okay, now be very careful. The hot lard has to be poured in. A little bit at a time, then let the other person stir it so well. And then another bit. Then another bit. And 2 bits. And then all of it. Put some more raisins in if you do have some. If it's getting too wet, put some sellotape at the bottom so the lard doesn't drip out. And when you've done that, like this, it will look like all of this. Now, get your grown-up or somebody to help you. And do this. Make sure it's filled right to the top. Birds don't want it not that to the top. Make sure they look like this. And maybe just flatten it. If you have too much, put it in the bowl again. Just like this. Lard might come dripping out, but you just put another piece of sellotape on it, like this. Now you're ready to put it in the fridge to cool. Get them out of the freezer when they're solid like this. Ask your mummy or daddy to make the hole bigger like this. Then you pull them up. Careful not to break the pat ball. And then put them in the freezer to do. Please don't put them out in summertime because
and it would melt, and the birds will get the oil on their wings, and they might not be able to fly.
We're gonna keep ours in the fridge until summertime. Winter time.